you often find yourself wondering, why do you have no time? And you wish, if only you could have more. The reality is, you have time. You just allow people to steal it from you. So think about this. Remember the guy who was stealing your brain power because you had to listen to him complain about things that you don't even find that bad. Or maybe when your friends invited you over to have fun, but in reality you know you will all just waste time and do nothing actually fun or purposeful there. Well, in your head, you know and kinda wish to just stay at home and grind on something that actually has a meaning for you, right? See, why don't you just try telling the truth? Just be honest. So instead of making a fake excuse why you can't go somewhere, why you can't do something, or maybe agreeing with a guy complaining about stuff that you don't really care about, instead of doing that, you just tell the truth. Yo man, wanna come to the party with me and the boys? We're all gonna be there, we're gonna do some fun shit. And you're just like, no. And he's like, oh, why, you busy or something? You're just like, no, I just don't wanna go. And then let the people take what you just told to them. How the fuck they wanna take it? That's on them. You see, you expressed yourself. You said, I don't wanna go because I just don't wanna go, alright? I'd rather stay at home and work my business. And just tell them that. What's the issue here? Just tell them that. Tell them exactly what you think. How they're gonna take this information is all on them. That's nothing to do with you. If they like it, they're like, oh, okay, fair point, bro. They are, bro, like, enjoy the grind, see you next time. If they're like that, cool. But if they're gonna be like, bro, you fucking suck, why do you think you're better than us, bro? Then maybe you should ask yourself, are these actually your friends? Because to me it sounds like they're just trying to take you down. So think about this stuff and just tell the truth next time. And maybe the next time that guy comes up to you that's always complaining about shit that's actually his fault and you don't want to hear that shit anymore, tell them exactly that. You don't want to hear that shit anymore. Just be like, bro, I don't want to listen to you complain every day. Alright, that's just not me, not my energy. Alright, listen to me, my guy. If he's always complaining to you and you don't want these kind of people in your life, what the fuck are you afraid of? You don't want him in your life and you're gonna tell him to stop complaining. What are you afraid of? He's gonna start disliking you and stop hanging out with you. Oh bro, you achieved your goal with that. He's gonna stop fucking hanging around with you. Isn't that what you wished for? So to cut this up, just be honest. Tell what you actually think about shit. And then how people are gonna take it, it's on them. You told your side and you're gonna act how you want to act. Alright? And now it's on them how they're gonna take it. Don't be a cunt, right? Think with your head. Maybe sometimes you have to show and do something out of respect and to actually show support to someone that you care about. But it's not the same as when there's someone you don't care about. You couldn't care less about him. And he's trying to do some fucking shit to take your time and energy. This time, just be fully honest. I don't want to do this. I'm out. Fuck you. Simple as that. And yeah, just don't be afraid. If you want to be exceptional and achieve something in your life, you have to get used to people hating on you. You're not gonna be okay with everybody. If you're okay with everybody, you got a problem with yourself. Alright? If you're okay with everybody, you are not okay with yourself. So, pick a side. Do you wanna be okay and connected with yourself and your brain and your true power inside of you? Or do you wanna be okay with everyone out there? We're all good. Yeah, fun. And fucking hate your life. Pick a side. Hate your life, like everybody, or love your life, stay on your goals, and achieve something, and have haters. But guess what? You will have some haters. Not everyone will hate you. Just some people will. So stay smart, tell what you honestly think about, but still stay respectful. And now that you got all this, you will make yourself fucking shit ton of time. And now I will teach you how to use that time in this video above. Feel free to check it out, bro. Oh, and embrace the pain, motherfucker!